Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play an A7 open chord. A7 open chord. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, this is what it looks like and sounds like. First thing is, that fifth string, play an open A. Then the fourth string, with the middle finger on the second fret, play that E. Then the third string, just leave it open and play that G. Then the second string, with the ring finger, play that C sharp on the second fret. And play an open E on the first string. When you put it all together, this is what it looks like and sounds like. And don't forget to play those notes individually. And strum them. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video on the A7 chord. Keep on jamming and don't forget to check out my other videos.